Good morning, y'all. Your boy Dominoes 7 here. I'd like to welcome y'all to my Facebook Live and stuff like that. Alright, so there was a plan, a power outage and stuff like that. Okay, so there's a power outage at Dominoes 7 Studios. You hear me? Yep. So relaxing and stuff. Yep, relaxing, chillaxing, and all that till the power come back on. So Energy texts me and say that there was a planned outage in the area. Okay, so I guess they probably upgrading or fixing this, that, and the other or whatever. hmm And plus, I ain't even finished uploading my videos in pieces. Like the Big Seven and stuff like that from Facebook Live and all that. Well, I'll upload that very soon. Okay, whenever I have time. So power outage at Dominoes 7 Studios, but anybody that's concerned, we'll be all right. It's just gonna be for a couple of hours or something like that. So all I say is I hope nobody wasn't in no elevator. So there's a there's a senior citizen building around here. In these complex. And there's an elevator in the building. I just hope nobody wasn't in there at the time and went out. Okay, so yep. So gameplay is gonna be delayed and uploads gonna be delayed and stuff like that. So yep. I'll come back when the power's back on. All right. So the way I think about it, y'all, we good over here. So it's still kind of cool in here. Thank God, because I kept my air conditioner on. Put it on 65 in the middle of the night, put it back to 72 and stuff like that. It's still cool in here. hmm just relaxing. I got to cover up. Well, I don't need to cover up, because based on whatever, it'll warm up eventually, unless the power come back on or whatever. If I don't get disconnected again. I got disconnected on YouTube Live. hmm Yep. So that's about all. Yep. And plus, I'm so glad Scott and Camber started uploading again. Yep. So some of y'all don't know who Scott and Camber is. That's a married couple. With 4 kids, I do believe. Matea, Brailer, and I forgot Taste, and another one name. I forgot the other one name though. Okay. hmm So Makaya. hmm How how are you doing today? I'm great. hmm At least my best friend at work. Sean had to deal with this power outage. I ain't I I ain't know she was gone because I was gonna go next door and ask her is she already there's a power hour, so she going to work. hmm Like I mean when the power go back on I'm gonna go back to work, so since the power is not on, I can't work. hmm On my YouTube and everything. Gaming and stuff, which I love to do, you know. hmm Yep. Yeah. All right. So, and plus, I need to give me a Retron 5. I sure would love to get that one of these days. I sure hope I get that one day because I need a Retron 5 because that play Game Boy games, Sega Genesis, Nintendo, Super Nintendo, and all that. Yes, indeed, I would love to get that. So I'll use that machine for a Game Boy player and a Game Boy player and a Sega Game Gear player. You know, all right. Mm-hmm. Yeah. So, yep. So, so I was saying, ladies and gentlemen, by this power being out and stuff like that, people are probably frustrated around here. Okay. Well, I ain't frustrated yet. Well, I ain't frustrated at all. Okay. So I'm just here relaxing and everything. Hmm. So better than being in a house with no power all night. Like I was for Hurricane Ida. Hmm. Like for Hurricane Ida, I was me, my brother, my aunties was out here, but not in this house. Thank God. I don't know if y'all saw that video last year before I started gaming and stuff like that. That I was vlogging with my shirt off and stuff like that, in the dark and stuff like that. Okay. So glad to be out of that before I went to Texas or whatever. Okay. All right. So that's all Domino 7 got to say. I'll be right back when the power come back on. Okay. All right. Bye bye, y'all.